Supreme Court has issued notices to Advani, Bal Thackeray and 19 others in the Babri Masjid demolition case.
Now, the CBI had challenged Allahabad High Court's order to drop charges against senior BJP leader LK Advani, Bal Thackeray and others in the Babri Masjid demolition case. Rhythm Anand Bharadwaj, our correspondent, joins us on the phone line for more on this story. Rhythm, take us through what the Supreme Court exactly said.
Well, Sanket, what happened today is after a lengthy argument in the court in which the CBI's counsel, Solicitor General of India, Gopal Subramaniam, continuously said that criminal conspiracy charges against Mr. LK Advani and 19 others should not be dropped like the Allahabad High Court had done. Finally, the Supreme Court went ahead and issued a notice to all these leaders. This also includes Madhya Pradesh Chief Minister Uma Bharti, former Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Kalyan Singh, besides Shiv Sena Chief Balasaheb Thackeray. What had happened is in the Supreme Court, the CBI challenged an Allahabad High Court order that had in fact gone ahead, dropped the criminal conspiracy charges against Mr. LK Advani and others in the Babri Masjid demolition case. The High Court had quashed all these charges after the demolition. There were separate FIRs filed in the matter. After a huge hearing in which the Supreme Court was not getting the CBI's point of view, they were not agreeing with them. In fact, they were asking them questions as to why do you want to take the clock back? It's been 11 years that you filed your first case and the order was there in a first case. Now you are coming to us. However, after that, after all this argument, the CBI counsel, Mr. Gopal Subramaniam, showed them that in the original FIR that had been filed way back, these particularly 8 people had also been named there. That being the case, the Supreme Court went ahead, issued a notice on the CBI's application challenging an Allahabad High Court order. Now all of them will have to reply within a few weeks to the Supreme Court on this case. This, as I said, includes Mr. LK Advani, Murli Manohar Joshi, Vinay Katiyar, Ashok Singhal. All of them will have to give their reply, submit their reply rather, in the Supreme Court of India.
So what is expected next in the new, like you're saying, Rhythm, in the next few weeks, the Supreme Court is expecting some kind of a reply. Thereafter, what would be the proceedings that could follow?
Well, the proceedings that will follow is what always follows in any normal case that comes up in the Supreme Court. First, there's a notice that's been issued now. Both the parties, that's the other party on whom the notice has been issued, that is all these leaders will have to file their reply. That's a written submission in the Supreme Court. After that's filed, once again, the party, the CBI, will be given a chance to file some more documents. That's a rejoinder. After which, finally, a final hearing or some hearing in this matter will be given by the Supreme Court. Finally, what's happened is it's the Supreme Court that will be taking cognizance of the criminal conspiracy charges against senior BJP leaders, including LK Advani and others.
Right. Rhythm, what kind of trouble is this really for senior BJP leaders? I mean, we almost thought that the entire case has been buried when the High Court had actually withdrawn charges. And now the Supreme Court has come back and it seems like the entire Babri ghost has come back to haunt the BJP. What kind of trouble does this really spell, or is it too initial a stage for us to assume anything?
Well, this is a very serious charge that the High Court had been that the BJP leaders had been very relieved when the Allahabad High Court in May had dropped all these criminal charges against them. Of course, this would be haunting the senior BJP leaders. It's a big blow to them because finally, once again, after all these years, after the trial court order that had dropped the charges, after the Allahabad High Court order that upheld the trial court order, dropping charges, now once again the Supreme Court says we will hear the case, we want the charges to be heard, we will try to understand why the charges were dropped, what were the reasons despite FIRs being there. All of this again will have to be explained by the BJP leaders in the Supreme Court of India.
Okay, Rhythm Anand Bharadwaj, our correspondent, explaining to us what happened in the Supreme Court today related to the CBI challenging the Allahabad High Court order. It could have huge ramifications for political leaders of the Bharatiya Janata Party as well as this man on your screen, Bal Thackeray of the Shiv Sena.
BJP is also now reacting to the Supreme Court notice. Venkaiah Naidu says that if we have got a notice, then concerned people will be responding to the same and they will also be taking the requisite legal recourse.
उसमें जनरल पर्पस कमेटी में भी इस विषय के बारे में चर्चा कर सकते हैं। हम लोग उस समय चर्चा करेंगे, मगर उसका मेरिट्स और डीमेरिट्स के बारे में सदन का इंटरनल मामला बाहर डिस्कस करना अच्छा नहीं।
सर, डीमेरिट्स इसमें क्या है लोगों को, क्योंकि ये कहना है
मैं बहस में नहीं जाना चाहता हूँ।
नहीं, लोगों का जनरली मानना था कि शुरुआत में जो लोगों का गुस्सा होता है वो थोड़ा ठंडा हो जाता है और क्वेश्चन आवर आराम से बाद में हो सकता है, क्योंकि 0 आवर से अगर शुरुआत होगी तो लोगों को बोलने का
एक सोच है। दैट्स वन वे ऑफ थिंकिंग। Chairman has said something. You are not supposed to comment on chairman's announcement, but we can discuss it. within ourselves as and when an opportunity comes. So I don't want to make any comment. Everybody wants Parliament to function normally, but the basic responsibility lies with the ruling party. If they really provide space for opposition and then allow the opposition to have its say,